Hey, welcome to the iRod Garage. We've got a bunch of stuff we're playing with today. Tommy's going to be messing with a 65C10. We're going to get a rear end put back in it. He's going to do some more stuff also on the mini Myers Manx that we're putting together. We think we found a great solution for it, so you're going to see that coming up in another episode. But anyway, like I was saying before the battery went dead, we got a lot of fun stuff to do. Messing with the mini Myers Manx. It's not a Myers, it's a fakie. We're actually going to mess a little bit with the Vespa also, and we're messing with the 65C10 for Brandon. We got a lot of stuff to do. It's going to be a lot of fun, so check it out.
iRod Garage here, and today we're reassembling Brandon's truck. The rear end came back, looks good. Obviously, I've already started ahead of you guys. It's sitting underneath the truck. And went ahead and put fluid in it while I was out here. I'm gonna need to top it off, but you know how it is when you're pumping gear lube, it takes forever. So I elected to do it outside the truck. The rear end's in there, it's ready to go up. I went ahead and this is the track bar, it's just up out of the way with the pry bar right there. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing up on the jack and fiddle faddle, and we'll get it in. All right. Alright, so in case you're wondering, I put two screwdrivers on the driver's side. That way the rear end, you know, it won't fall off. Anyway, we have to put a block in here and then kind of fudge it around. And then once we get the U-bolts just started in here, then we'll do the same over there. It'll be super cool. Okay guys, pretty much all the same stuff, just in reverse. We'll get our shock plate up here where it needs to be, somewhere, some kind of close facsimile. And sometimes on these U-bolts, sometimes if there's like a peening here, it's a self-locking nut. These guys aren't, so that's why we went ahead and put lock washers on there, just for our own peace of mind, you know, just to make sure you get them nice and tight all the way around. All right, so those guys are snug. Let's go ahead and put our shock on. Cool. There's that. Okay, there's that. We'll tighten that up later. We need to remove one bolt in the differential cover. That way I can go ahead and put my clamp up there. And then that part's done. And it'll be pretty cool. Alright. Like I said, I'm going to try to do all this at once. So usually when you get this stuff, there's always a wear-in process on this stuff. So if you ever have a rear end done, just kind of be nice to it for a while. This guy, we'll go and cinch this guy down right now. That way we don't forget about it. Alright, so there's our hard line to the housing. That's all done. Try to be efficient this morning. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's do another shocky toe. Okay. So there's the shock. Now this guy. Yeah. I had a feeling this would do this. So it looks like we might have to get a little something, get a little rough. Yeah, so close. Alright, we might have to grab the, I think it'd help if we grab here and just jack it up a little bit. That way we can pitch the rear end and hopefully get that guy to line up. Maybe. Yeah, just not quite enough. Well, we're gonna have to get tricky there. I think we get a little short half-inch bolt in there and kind of walk it. It just needs to go over that way just a little bit. Look at that. Oh man. Almost these. Will just not go. Well, it just ain't gonna go. Hang on, I gotta get a little rough here. Okay guys, got the rear end in Brandon's truck. Wheels are back on. Brakes are bled. All that stuff. So now I went ahead and put the glove box together. I put the button in there. These guys are kind of tricky sometimes. So they actually go behind this strap. And this strap actually contains the pivot point. Right, pivot, strap. But unfortunately the box also slides into a groove that's inside of here. Which can kind of be a little difficult sometimes trying to get. And then here's 2 screws up here.
Alright, well, it's the end of the day, and this week Toby's going to work 3 days. I guess he needs some Christmas money. That's what that boils down to. No, school's over with. He did well. He's going to be a doctor here pretty quick.
Ooh,
a doctor of love.
doctor is something.
Yeah. Anyway, had lots of things happen today. There's going to be lots more coming up in Sunday's episode. Check that out. Still waiting for the 55 to get back from the Sandblaster. But remember to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Give us that like. Share the link. Leave a comment. And we hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching.